Bonjour. You're welcome to the 15th Surest tip to wire yourself and your French examiner. Voila. And for this tip, it is titled Le placement des adjectifs qualificatifs. All right. Very quickly, you have some questions to practice with on the screen there. All right. We have 5 of them. Okay. And I think this time around you are translating. Traduisez le suivant. So try your translation skill. All right. Good. Now, let's dive in. Well, quand on parle de placement des adjectifs qualificatifs, c'est-à-dire ce sont la position ou bien les positions pour ton adjectif dans une phrase. Okay. Now when we talk about placement of qualificative adjective, we talk about the positioning, all right, of this adjective in a sentence. All right. I tried to distinguish them for you to make it really easy. All right, like the first one here, I said that majority of adjectives or adjective qualificative that is written in French are placed after the nouns they qualify. All right, such as adjectives of color, profession, nationality, religion, form, geographical location, historical entity, okay, et ainsi de suite, etc. Rather. So that means that when you see adjectives that perform these functions or that have this kind of idea, such as color, profession that we just mentioned now, you place them after the nouns that they qualify. All right, and we have example here. J'ai une robe rose. I have a rose gown. So rose is the adjective there, and we will place it, okay, after the noun. So then we have the second one here, une table rectangulaire. Une table rectangulaire. All right, so a rectangular is talking about form now, the form. So it's an adjective of form. So the une table rectangular, a rectangular table. And we have the third one, les émissaires français, French emissaries. All right, then we have the fourth one here, une église médiévale, a medieval church, une église medieval. All right, so you can see that medieval is talking about historical entity, okay, in the past, in history, and it's coming after church. You can say une médiévale église. No, on dit une église médiévale. C'est interdit de dire une médiévale église. D'accord? On dit une église médiévale. D'accord? On avance. On a B adjective qualificative that are short are placed before nouns. All right. So you can see now that we're getting to another point now that where we can have an adjective placed before the noun will be when the adjective is short. All right. For example, we have example on the screen there. Bon. All right. Cher, petit. All right. Jaune, vieille, jolie, grand. Okay, so bon is good, cher is dear, petit, petit. Can you try that? Petit, petit is small. Then jaune is young, vieille. You can see that on the screen. All right. Then on a aussi grand. Okay. On a okay. Let's stop there. Then we have for the examples, la petite fille est ma cousine. All right, the little girl is my cousin, and you can see the way we place that. We didn't say la vie petite, all right, because petite is a short adjective, all right. So la petite fille de ma cousine. Et numéro 2, le vieil homme, right, the old man. So we can say l'homme vieil. We say le vieil homme because it's vieil, old is a short adjective. Bon, okay. On avance. We have the third category here. Some adjectives change their positions but have different meanings. Okay, they change their positions. All right, that means not all of them. That's why I would say some of them. And let's consider some of these adjectives. We have brave, un homme brave, a brave man. But when you can see that it is just like a normal adjective that is coming after the word homme, non brave. But when you say homme bravo, it is still correct in French, but it has another meaning entirely. It means a kind man. So brave, okay, or brave rather, can mean kind. It can also mean brave. So homme bravo ou bien un homme brave. Numéro 2, ancien président. Okay, ancien président, former president. Hôpital ancien, ancient hospital. That means that when ancien is coming before the noun, then it is former. But when it is coming after the noun, then it means ancient. And there we have the third example here, cher ami. That means dear friend. But when it comes after the noun, then it becomes expensive, all right? If voiture cher, an expensive car. Then we have the fourth one, ma propre maison, right? My own house or my house, right? My proper. It's coming before the noun. But when it is placed after the noun, then it becomes clean. So you can say ma propre maison, my own house. But if you say ma maison propre, it becomes my clean house. All right. So you need to just master these adjectives that not, mind you, that's why I stated that some of them, not all of them, and I tried to give you some of these adjectives that you need to watch out for that changes their, their location, okay, and they will give you another sense. Okay, let's take more. We have un pauvre garçon, that's a pitiful boy, and when we talk about pitiful here, that does not mean that that person is poor. Maybe that person does need help or your pity, or maybe something bad happened to that person, or maybe in terms of emotion, right? So you can put your pauvre before the noun, and that will become pitiful. But if it comes after the noun, then it becomes poor. Okay. Par exemple, on a un garçon pauvre, a poor boy. Right. That means that that boy is poor indeed. All right. Le suivant, on a some adjectives change positions and still keep their meanings. All right. They change positions and still keep their meanings. That means some of them. Par exemple, magnifique. All right. Magnifique is an adjective that can switch position. It can come before the noun. It can come after the noun. Mon père a acheté un château magnifique. All right. And it's the same thing. C'est la même chose avec mon père a acheté un magnifique château. Right. My father bought a magnificent castle. Okay. Good. And we come back to the questions that were projected the other time. A brave man. All right. We are translating now. How do you say brave man? Un homme brave. Dear friend will be cher ami, cher ami. Okay. And you remember, if cher is coming after, then that means that that thing is expensive. Then the third one, a beautiful woman will mean une belle femme. Une belle femme. Okay. Numero 4, poor boy. That means pitiful now, deserving pity, but not necessarily poor. So we'll say pauvre garçon. Et aussi, numéro 5, on a quelque chose là, a French kitchen, une cuisine française, all right? From the options, you will see une française cuisine. There's something like that in French. En français cuisine, there's something like that, because even if you look at that thing where French has to be used as in accordance with the word to, right? And the word we are talking about here is kitchen, and that is feminine, un. So français will carry e. So, and that's why we're going with C. Okay, une cuisine française. D'accord? Par exemple, j'aime la cuisine française. I love French kitchen. All right. Bon, on s'arrête ici. Merci beaucoup. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and as well like. You can send in your comment as well. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.